one comes to the Father except through me. He is the way to safety and security when we are lost or in trouble. He helps us to find our way back to God, just like a lifeguard guides you back to shore. We follow Jesus to find the best way to live our lives. He teaches us to be kind, to help others, to pray, and to love one another. Jesus is like a wise teacher who shows us the truth about how to live. When we are not sure what to do, we can listen to Jesus' teachings to find the truth. He helps us grow and flourish by giving us love, forgiveness, and a good way to live. He brings life to our hearts and souls. Let us keep following Him, learning from Him, and enjoying the life He gives us.
Ano nga ba ang pasasalamat? Ang pasasalamat ay ang pagpapakita ng pagpapahalaga na tumutulong sa atin na magpakumbaba. Dahil kinikilala natin ang pagpapakita ng kabutihan, paglilingkod o pagmamalasakit ng iba na nagpapasigla at nagpapalakas sa atin. Hinuhubog upang mabuhay katulad ni San Ignacio, isang taong naniniwala sa Diyos, sa sarili, at sa paglilingkod. The mark of a true Athenian is service. Ad Maiorem Dei Gloria.
So as you can see, I stand here not alone. What a great year it truly has been. We have accomplished a lot, and we could not have done it without the grace and providence of God. For we are all here today in the presence of God, the way, the truth, and the life. It is this sacrifice and willingness to go through it which makes this truly a labor of love. What you just did is a true offering for your parents, most especially. We may love and serve the Lord. Congratulations, Batch 2024. We are proud of you.